Okay, the topics we are going to discuss is what about that number system, why we have to use the number system. Okay, introduction about the number system, and what is the number system, and what are different types of number system, and what are the different conversions, how we can convert from one type of number system to another type of number system. Okay, okay. Generally, what is the communication between two persons, or how we are communicating with each other? We are communicating by each other by any language. We are communicating by talking with, what is that, with Telugu or Hindi or English, anything. We are connecting, we are communicating. Like that, what is the meaning of that? By using the words and characters, we are communicating with each other. When we are communicating, we can use the numbers, characters, words. So every person or we can know the numbers, characters, words, but the computer understand only the numbers. Computer can't understand the characters. It is a electronic device, machine. What is the meaning of machine? Machine understands only switching the on and off. Okay, and that can be represented by ones and zeros. One is for the on and zero is for the off. So it understands only numbers 1 and 0. Okay, so when we are entering the data in by using the computer, that is to be converted into the electronic pulse. Okay, that can be identified as the code, and the code is converted into the numeric format by the ASCII. Okay, this is the ASCII conversion. ASCII gives the each number, character or symbols which we can use in the computers. Okay, for a numeric value. Okay, the numeric value which can be understood by the computer. So ASCII converts the whatever data given by the user to the computer can be converted into the number format. Okay, it gives some numeric value. So to understand the language of computer, we must familiar with this number system. So we have to convert this into the, by using number system, we can convert this into the numbers. Okay, so what is the number system? What is the number system? What is the number system means? The number system is the way to represent or express the numbers. Okay, to express the numbers, we can use the number system. And it defines how a number can be represented using the distinct symbols. How we can represent the number by using the different symbols? This is used by using this number system. How we can represent the numbers? And the number can be represented in different systems. Okay, by the passage of time, these can be many types of number systems, like decimal number systems, binary number systems, octal number system, and hexadecimal number systems. Okay, these are the different number systems which we can use to convert our data to number format. Okay, the terms which we can use when we are using the number system are a bit, byte, and base. What is the bit? Bit means a unit of information expressed as 0 or 1 in the binary notation. Bit means the unit of information. Either it may be the 0 or 1. 1 means on, 0 means off. Okay, and a byte. Byte means group of binary digits, group of bits. Usually the 8 bits are called the 1 byte. Okay, which can be operated as the single unit. Okay, and this byte can be used to measure the memory. And next is the base, which is also called the radix. The base is the number of digits used in it. How many numbers we are using in that number system. Okay, the larger the base, the more numerals are required. Depends on this base, how many numbers we are using in the number system. Okay, for example, for the decimal number system, base is the 10. So we can use the numbers up from 0 to 10. And for the binary number system, base is 2. It uses only 2 numbers. And for the octal number system, the base is 8. So it uses the 8 numbers from 0 to 7. And for the hexadecimal number system, the base is the 16. So it uses 16 numbers. Actually, we have the only 10 numbers 0 to 9. After that, it taken the alphabets A, B, C, D, E, F as the for the 11, 12 up to 16. Okay, this is about the what these terms can be used. What is that? Base, byte, and bit. First, we have to know about the decimal number system. Decimal number system is also known as the base 10 system. Okay, decimals means 10. Okay, it has 10 digits which are 0 to 9. So its base is it is using 10 numbers. So its base is 10. In this number system, the maximum value of a digit is 9 and the minimum value of digit is 0. Okay, from 0 to 9 we are using. So this is the minimum value and this is the maximum value. So as it is uses the 10 numbers to represent the number system, so it is called the base 10 number system. Okay, and next the position of each digit in this number system is the power of the base. The position of the each digit can be specified by power of the 10 because it is that what is that? It is the base 10 number system. And this is the widely used number system for our day-to-day life. And this is used to represent any numeric value. This number system can be used to represent any number values. Okay, and decimal number is also a positional value system. Okay, and because each digit has a value based on its positions. Okay, so it is called the positional value system. The value of this position is increased by 10 times as we are moving from right to left in the number because it is that base 10 number system. Okay, for example, here we have the number 786. Okay, what is the value of this? What is the value of it? Okay, it is the 10 square, Nana. 10 square, not 1, not 2. 7 into 10 square, 8 into 10 to the power of 1, and 6 into 10 to the power of 0. So 7 into 10 square, 7 into 100. Okay, this is the 7 into 10 square means 700. 8 into 10 to the power of 1, that is the 80. And 6 into 10 to the power of 0, that is the 1, that is the 6. So this number can be represented with the positional value of with the by using the 10, which is the base of this decimal number system. Okay, for example, we have the three numbers here. We have 734, 671 and 567. What are these numbers? In this, what is the value of the 7? These are the three different numbers. What is the value of 7? In the 734, this is the hundreds value. So we can represent 7 has the 700 or 7 into 100 or 7 into 10 square. This is by specifying the position. Okay, and next it is the second position, that is the 10 square. In the 671 it is the first position. So what is it? It is the tens place. So it is 7 tens, or it can be 70 or 7 into 10 or 7 into 10 to the power of 1. Okay, and next another value, that is the 567. 567, in this, what is the value of 7? 7 is in units place. Okay, so 7 can be identified as 7 or 7 into 1 or 7 into 10 to the power of 0. Okay, so different positions, based on its position, the number can be represented based on the 10 multiples. Okay, the weightage of each position can be represented by using like this. Okay, 10 to the power of 0, 10 to the power of 1, like this it can be increased from right to left. Okay, next is the binary number system. What is a binary number system? Which is also known as the base 2, because it uses the only two numbers. Okay, the computer understands only these on or off, which is the state of the switch. These two states are represented by 1 and 0. The combination of these two, 1 and 0, form the binary numbers. Okay, and these can be used to represent the numbers. Okay, these ones and zeros can be used to represent the number in binary format. Okay, as we are using in this system, we are only using two numbers, so it is called the binary number system, also as the base 2 number system. Base 2 number system. And in this we are using only 1 and 2, so each binary digit is also called the bit. And binary system also the positional value system, where the each digit has a value which is expressed as the power of 2. In the decimal system, we can express the value as the power of 10. It is the binary system, so we are expressing the value as the power of 2. So 2 to the power of 0, 2 to the power of 1, 2 to the power of 2, 2 to the power of 3, like this we can be expressed. Okay, for example, the decimal equivalent of number is sum of product each digit with its positional value. How we can use the positional value? Because it is the binary number system. Okay, it is a binary system, so we have to use the positional by representing the number by 2 powers of 2. So this is the number 11010, which has the base 2. This can be this can be converted into the decimal number. What is the value of decimal number of this binary number? Okay, so it can be multiplied with the position values. Okay, what is that? 1 is at which position? 1 0 1 2 3 4, so 2 to the power of 4, plus this is the 1 into 2 to the power of 3, and 0 into 2 to the power of 2. It is because it is that second position, and the next 1 into 2 to the power of 5, and by calculating this it is the 26. So 26 is the actual number. Its equivalent binary format is 11010. Okay, next, octal number system. That is the base 8 number system. Okay, which uses, this system uses 0 to 7, that is the 8 digit. Because of it using 8 digits, so we call this is the base 8 number system or octal number system. Octal means 8. Okay, so these numbers are base of 8. So these can be, in this we are using the powers by positional values of the number by 8 powers of 8. Okay, in this octal number represents a specific power of its base 8, because its base is 8, because it is the octal number system. And one octal digit is equal to 3 bits. And this system is used to shorten long binary numbers. This method is used to represent the shorten long binary numbers, and which also have the positional value which can be expressed as the powers of 8. So this can be expressed by the 8 to the power of 0, 8 to the power of 1, like this. Okay, this is the decimal equivalent of the octal number. Okay, and 726, which has the base 8. This can be converted into the decimal number by using its positional values. At 0's position, we have the 6. So 6 can be multiplied with, say, 6 into 8 to the power of 0, and 2 into 8 to the power of 1, and 7 into 8 to the power. Okay, by simplifying, it is equivalent to 470. So the number 470 can be represented in octal format is 726. Okay, next is the hexadecimal number system. Okay, what is this? This is the base 16 number system. Because it has the base 16, it uses the 16 digit hexadecimal. Okay, in this system we are using 16 digits to represent the given number. So it is known as the base 16 number system. And each digit position represented as the power of 16. Okay, actually we have the only 10 numbers from 0 to 9. Okay, the base is greater than 10, so this uses the other values as the by the letters. This number system uses supplemented by letters. Okay, the numbers which are used in the hexadecimal are 0 to 9, and after that these are the 10 numbers. After for the 11 we use the A, and for 12 this is the 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, because we are starting from 0, so 0 to 50. And this number system is also known as alphanumeric number system, because it uses alphabets as well as the numerals. So we call this as the alphanumeric number system. And each place value in the hexadecimal number system is power of 60. Okay, so we can what are the positional values we can use? 16 to the power 0, 1, 16 power 2, 16 power 3, 16 power 3, like this from right to left. Okay, this is the equivalent by the number 10,234, which can be equal to the hexadecimal number is 27 FP. For example, if this is the decimal number, what is the equivalent number of decimal number? So this can be multiplied by its positional values, because it is the base 16. So we can use the powers of 60. So B, what is it? B is the what is 2? 2 into 16 power 3 is 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, 16 power 3, 7 into 16 power 2. F is 15, F into 16 power 1. And next, what is this? B, this is 10 into 16 power of 0. So it can be equivalent to 10 to 34. Okay, this is the number system what we are learned up to now. We have the 4 number systems: decimal number system, binary number system, octal number system, hexadecimal number system. Okay, it has the, what is the base for the decimal number system? 10. For binary, base is 2. For octal we have the base 8. For hexadecimal, base is 60. The symbols are numbers used in these numbers are: in the decimal we have to use 0 to 9. Okay, in the binary we use only 2 numbers, 0 or 1. In the octal we use the 0 to 8, 0 to 7, 8 numbers. Hexadecimal we use the 16, 0 to 9 becomes only 10 numbers. After that we can use the letters A, B, C, D, E, F for the 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, these are the examples. Okay, now we are going to discuss is number conversions. Okay, is any problem? Is my screen is visible to all?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, Nana, next is the conversion. We can convert from one number system to another number system. Okay, Here we are discussing about the what is that decimal to binary conversion. Okay, this method of converting decimal to binary is repeated division method. When we are converting decimal to binary, that method is known as the repeated division method. Okay, to convert from decimal to binary, we need to follow these rules. Okay, first we have to divide the given decimal number with the base 2, because we are converting from decimal to binary. For the binary we have the base 2, so we have to divide that decimal number by its base, that is the 2, and write down the remainder and divide the quotient by 2. Okay, repeat this step 2 until the quotient is 0. Okay, by taking one example we can understand easily this. Okay, what we have to do? First we have to divide the given number with 2, because it is the binary conversion. For example, to convert 200 is the binary decimal number. To convert this into binary number, we have to divide this 200 with 2. When we are dividing 200 for 2, for 100 multiples, remainders are 0. By 250 is 0, 225 0. Okay, and next 225 12s and remainder is 1. Remainders are written here. And for 2 6 are 12, and for 6 is multiples of 3, so 2 3s, the remainder is 0. And for 3 2 1s and remainder is 1. Until the 0, we have to continuing this. What is that? Division and 0. Okay, we have to write from down to right, that is most significant bit to least significant bit. Okay, we are writing in this order. What is that? 1 1 0 0 1 0 0 0. That is equivalent to the decimal number 200. Okay, we are reading from bottom to top. The equivalent to 200 decimal 200, the decimal number is 11001000. Okay, next, what is the reverse? Binary to decimal. In the previous we are converted decimal to binary. When we are converting decimal to binary, we are dividing that decimal number with 2. It is the reverse process, binary to decimal conversion. Okay, in this we have to follow these steps. What are the steps to be followed? Multiply each binary number with 2, having the power of 0 to last position. By its positional, we are multiplying by its positional values with its base. What is the base? For the binary we have the base 2. Okay, starting from right digit, and increase the power 1 by 1 with the base as 2. Sum up all the products to get the decimal number. Okay, these steps to be followed when we are converting from binary to decimal. Okay, for example, here we are taken one binary number, that is, what is that? 1100010001. This is the binary number. What is the equivalent of decimal number? What we have to do? We have to multiply these binary numbers with its positional value of 2 powers, because its positional values of its base. What is the base of this? 2. So where is the 1? It is at 8th position. So we have to 1 into 2 to the power of right, and next to 1 into 2 to the power of 7, like that we are multiplying. After calculating and simplifying and summing these all values, it gets a 393. Okay, thus this 1100010002 is equal to 39310. And next is the decimal to octal. Okay, I will give you one, what is that? One example. You have to convert and message me what is that in the previous, what we discussed, what is the When we are converting decimal to timer, decimal equivalent of 514. What is the decimal equivalent of 514? Okay, note down everyone. Convert that 514 to binary format. What you have to do? You have to divide that 514 with 2. Okay, and the next one, take another example. What is that? Okay, I will give you last. First you have to note this. What is that, Nana? What is the decimal binary equivalent of 514? Binary. Okay, if it closes, again join with Nana. Join with same number, same link. Binary. And next, what is the decimal to octal? Okay, what is this decimal? When we are converting to decimal equivalent of decimal numbers equivalent of octal, we have to what is this? This is called the repeated division method. In this method, we are dividing the number with 8 because it is we are converting decimal to octal. So, and write down the remainder and divide the quotient by 8. Repeat this step 2 till the quotient is 0. Okay, and next, for example, this is the decimal number 266. What is the octal equivalent of 266? Divide this 266 with 8. Okay, what is that? It is the 33 multiples, remainder is 2. And by dividing 33, 8 with 8, it is the 4, 8 4 ja 32 and remainder is 1. And next 8 zeros. So 4 is the remainder. What is the octal equivalent of 266? That is the 412. Okay, next reverse conversion, octal to decimal conversion. What we have to do? We have to use the positional values of the base. What is the base for the octal? That is the 8. So multiply each digit with its positional value. Okay, increasing the power by from right to left. Okay, to convert the 372, it is the octal number. To convert this to binary number, what we have to do? Multiply by its positional values of the with base. What is the position of 3? Second position. What is the base? 8. So 3 can be multiplied by 3 into 8 square plus 7 into 8 to the power of 1 plus 2 into 8 to the power of 0. By simplifying this, the decimal equivalent of this is 250. So thus 372 base 8 is equal to 250 base 10. What we are doing here? We are multiplying each octal digit by its position weight. Next, to convert octal to binary. Okay, octal is the base 8 and binary is the 2. From base 10 to we are converting base 2. Okay, in the octal every number is combination of 3 bits. So the conversion from octal to binary is performed by converting each octal digit to its 3-bit binary equivalent. Okay, this is the table. The 8 possible digits are converted into indicator by 0 can be represented in 3 binary 0 0 0, 1 by 0 0 1, by 2 0 1 0, for 3 0 1 1, and for 4 1 0 0, like this. Octal format has the only 8 numbers from 0 to 7. By using these conversion, any octal number can be converted into binary. We have to convert to binary. So the numbers are 0 to 7. Binary equivalents of these numbers are this. By using these numbers, we can convert octal to binary. Okay. For example, converting 5431, which has the base 8, to be converted to binary number is, okay, this is the 5431. The decimal binary equivalents of these numbers, 5 is 101, for 4 100, for 3 011, and for 1 001. Then this can be written as usual. So binary equivalent of 5431 octal number is 101 100 011 1001. Okay, next, reverse binary to octal for base 2 to base 8. When it is the binary format, it consists only 0 to 1. We have to, it is the reverse process of octal to binary. In this, we have to group the binary integers into 3 bits, starting from least significant bit. This is the LSB and this is the MSB, most significant bit. If unable to form group, then add one or two zeros on the left to making that as the 3-bit number. Okay, each group is converted to its octal equivalent. For example, this is given 110 10110. Okay, this can be grouped into 3 bits. Okay, 1101 bit, 010 bit 1, and 11 have the own. It is one number less.
Ma'am,
So, what, Nana?
not understanding, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
What, Nana?
Yes, ma'am.
Where you have problem? Here? Oh, sorry. Where, Nana, problem? Where is the doubt, Nana? Say, what is your doubt? Okay, here, from here. Okay, we can, what is that? We can stop and again we will join. Okay. I think it is going to stop within 2 minutes. Okay, you observe once again. This is the octal to binary conversion. Then what is the meaning of octal? What is the octal? Octal means this is the base 8. And binary 2. What is the meaning of binary? 2. So to convert 8 to base to second base, we have to group these two by representing this octal number with binary numbers. What is the binary numbers? Binary consists only ones and zeros. Okay, so represent the 0. We have the binary number 000, for 1 001. Okay, for 2 010. Okay, you observe. What is that? This is that zeros, ones position. So 2 to the power of 0, it becomes 1. It is 2 at if we put 1 at ones position, 2 to the power of 1, it becomes the 010. Like this, 3 can be represented in binary format 011. By 4, it is the 012. 2 square becomes 4. So 100. For 5, second position and 0 position. This is the 4 plus 1 becomes 5. So 5 can be represented in binary format 101. 6, 110 and 7. Using these conversion, the octal number, we are given the octal number, we have to convert these to binary number. What we have to do? For example, this is the given number, that is the octal number 5431. You are reading this is the 5431, but is in the base 8. What is the meaning of that? This is in the octal format. we have to convert this to binary format. So we have to insert the binary equivalents of these numbers by using this chart. Okay, binary equivalent of 5 is 101, binary equivalent of 4 is 100, binary equivalent of 3 is, what is 3? 011. What is 1? 001. By putting these ones, octal number can be represented by 3 bits. Okay, so we are putting 001, 011, 100, 101. Okay, by grouping this, it becomes equivalent of this 5431 octal number. Okay, this is the 5431 is the octal format. Its equivalent binary format is this.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, Chepnana? Say Nana?
ma'am, explain with the help of board. We are unable to understand by the screen sharing.
It's not available now. After that, I will explain by typing numbers. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
By using notepad, I can. Okay? From where you have the problem? Conversion?
Ma'am, from starting.
From starting you have problem, but why you are not asking? Okay, Nana, I am explaining this. I will again explain all these things.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay. Okay. Is it is visible, Nana, my screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. To convert from binary to octal. Okay, anybody say what is the binary?
2.
2.
2.
Okay. So, from base 2 to octal means
8.
8. So, from
8.
base 2 to we have to convert base 8. Base 2 means it has only zeros and ones. Okay, so we are given the number in zeros ones format. By using only these two numbers, it has this to be converted into octal form. Octal consists only 0 to 7 numbers. Okay, in the octal, every number is a 3-digit group. You have to remind that in the octal number system, every digit is combination of 3 bits. Okay, so we have to group that binary numbers into 3 groups. Okay, for example, this is given number 0, 1. What is that? This is a given number. For example, this is a binary number. Binary means which is the base 2. Okay, this is the base 2. We have to convert this into the base 8. We are grouping this into 3. What is this? We have to grouping 3 from left to. We have to go from left to this. Right to left. Okay, we are grouping 1, 1, 0 becomes one group. Okay, this is the one group. And next 3, 0, 1, 0. And next we have 1, 1. For this we have to add left side any zeros. Here we need to grouping this as the 3, we need 1, 0. So here I am putting 1, 0. Now it becomes, this is one group, and this is one group, this is one group. What is the representation of this binary number? What is the equivalent of 110? It is equivalent of 6. What is the 010? It is equivalent decimal of 010 is 2. Equivalent decimal of 011 is 3. So it can be grouped like this. This is the 3, 2, 6. So a decimal equivalent of this given number is equal to the 326 with base 8. So octal equivalent of this given number is 326. Okay, next. Decimal to hexadecimal. What we have to
Ma'am,
convert?
we have class.
What? Ain't Nana?
We have class now, ma'am.
Okay, I will complete in 10 minutes, Nana. The madam say you can join after 40 minutes also. I can take up to 1 hour. It's over. We started 10:40. Okay, within 10 minutes I will close. Okay. To convert decimal to hexadecimal, okay, decimal is base 2, hexadecimal is base 60. We have to use the repeated division method. Okay, we are converting 16 base 2 to base 60. Divide the given decimal with base 60. Okay, and write down from, what is that, bottom to top. Okay. Like this. This is the 423. This is the given number. Okay, this number can be converted into hexadecimal by using this. 423 can be divided with 16 because we want to convert this decimal number to 16. Okay, by dividing 16, it is the 26, remainder is 7. And by 26, it is the 16 1 base is 10, remainder is 10. N can be represented in the hexadecimal. 10 is by A. By zeros, 16 zeros and 1. 1A7 is the hexadecimal equivalent of this number. Okay, when we want to convert the decimal number to hexadecimal's base is 16. So we have to divide this decimal number with base 16. Okay, to convert opposite, what is that, hexadecimal to decimal? We have to multiply with its positions. What is that? Hexadecimal's base is 16. Okay, decimals is 0. With this decimal, here we are given that, what is that? We are given the hexadecimal and convert that with, what is that? Its position values. This is 0 position, 1 position and 2 position. and 16 multiples with its position. 16, 2 into 16 square. A is the 10. So 10 into 16 1. F represents 15. 15 into 16 to the power of 0. So it becomes, when we are simplifying this, it is equivalent to 687 base 10. Okay, and next if you want to convert binary to hexadecimal, and in the hexadecimal, we have to group the each binary number in as the 4 bits. Okay, just like the binary to octal, we are grouping 3 digits, 3 bits. Binary to hexadecimal, we are grouping 4 bits. Okay, this is the binary number given 1010111000. We have to group this as the 4 bits. 1010 1 bit and 1101 becomes 1, and here we have only 01. For grouping as the 4 bits, we have to add the zeros at the left. 00. Now it represents 2. 1011 represents B. 1010 represents A. So what is that? This binary equivalent of this number is equivalent to hexadecimal equivalent is 2BA. This is the reverse conversion. What is that? Hexadecimal to binary. When it is the hexadecimal, we have to represent that numbers in the binary format. We are converting from 16 base to base 2. 9 can be represented in binary format is 1001. Okay, for F we have 1111, for 20010. So this binary equivalent of 9F to base 16 is this. Okay, Nana, 1 minute. Don't worry about this. It's confused avuddu Nana. Idi entante manam here we are learn about the 4 number system. What is that? Decimal, binary, octal and hexadecimal. We are learn all 4 at one class. So you are just confusing. If you listen once again, you will easily understand that. Okay, is any problem? Or questions are
Now MBZ is going to have some other class.
okay.
We have chemistry class now.
Okay.
We can leave.
Okay, Nana, are you going to other classes? Okay, now we can stop off. This is the completion. Our slides also completed. Okay, if you have any doubts, please contact. Okay, or again, otherwise you can view my YouTube channel. I will post this video in my YouTube channel. Okay, are you able to again join in tomorrow?
Yes, ma'am.
ఓకే నాన్న, రేపు మీరు అంటే రేపు పర్మిషన్ తీసుకోండి, నెక్స్ట్ క్లాస్కి పర్మిషన్